All the time we hear people saying negative things like, "I'm just not the sort of person who could do that," or placing unnecessary limitations on themselves with phrases such as, "I'd never be able to do what you do," or "I'm not really a people person." Now certainly it's true that people's natural biological inheritance does seem to bestow differing abilities in different areas, but only to some extent. We know that attitude and experience are more important, and it's clear from extensive brain research that the brain is highly plastic. This means that the wiring of the brain changes as you learn new things. So much of negative self-talk is actually inaccurate and unrealistic. It's not that anybody can do anything. It's more a question of you being able to do much, much more than you currently know you can. Negative self-talk is a lying voice. It cheats you out of future possibilities and current enjoyments. Achieving your possibilities will help create a more reasoned voice, one that is for you instead of against you, one that will champion your cause in life, fighting for you all the way. You'll begin to see more things as within your capabilities, feel happier taking on new challenges, and look forward to situations that before you might have avoided.